First of all, what is your name?
Matthew.
All right, so the question we got for you today is, how do you feel about your ex?
About my ex? Fuck that bitch. That's all I can say.
So what's your name?
Elizabeth Dillon.
How you feel about your ex?
He's disgusting.
That's it, disgusting. What he do?
Good person. Like, he really just, plays my shit. Like, OD. So.
What's your name?
Destiny.
All right, so the question we got here today is, how do you feel about your ex?
That's my friend. We cool, but
Really, nigga?
Feel about your ex? How you feel about your ex?
I don't fuck with that bitch.
Bitch, you got me fucked up. You can suck my left nut.
How do you feel about your ex?
Yo, no funny shit, bro. Yo, I hope she get, punched, because she getting me tight.
So you want her to die or something?
No, I want her to die.
Why you always lying?
But I want her to get punched in the face.
You want me to beat her up?
Yo, unless she touch, if she touch
Nah, I ain't gonna beat her up. So, what's your name?
Jacob.
Okay, Jacob. How do you feel about your ex?
I don't care about you anymore.
Anymore? Why not?
Because, sheesh.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you.
Okay. Dang, that's tough. Okay, so what's your name?
Ozzy.
Look, come on.
My name Ozzy.
All right. So, how you feel about your ex? No, come back.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Come back. How you feel about your ex?
This is a waste of time.
Why you say that?
A waste of 5 months.
Damn.
She's boring. She's a waste of 5 months.
Damn. Okay, so what's your name?
Peanut.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So how you feel about your ex?
Fuck that bitch.